Learn the most usable synonym and antonyms in English.
1. Big small. Example, the elephant is big, but the mouse is small. 2. Hot cold. Example, tea is hot, but ice cream is cold. 3. Happy sad. Example, she is happy because she won the prize. He is sad because he lost the game. 4. Fast slow. Example, a cheetah runs fast, while a turtle moves slow. 5. Tall short. Example, Ali is tall, but Ahmed is short. 6. Open close. Example, please open the window, then close it after some time. 7. Old young. Example, my grandfather is old, but my brother is young. 8. Rich poor. Example, the rich man helped the poor family. 9. Light dark. Example, the room is light during the day and dark at night. 10. Clean dirty. Example, my shirt is clean, but my shoes are dirty. 11. Strong weak. Example, the lion is strong, but the sick puppy is weak. 12. Early late. Example, I arrived early, but my friend came late. 13. Full empty. Example, the glass is full of water, but the bottle is empty. 14. Easy difficult. Example, this question is easy, but the next one is difficult. 15. Up down. Example, the balloon goes up, and the stone falls down. 16. Buy sell. Example, I buy books, and the shopkeeper sells them. 17. Give take. Example, please give me the pen, and I will take it. 18. Love hate. Example, I love reading books, but I hate wasting time. 19. Win lose. Example, our team won the match, and the other team lost. 20. Start finish. Example, let's start the class now and finish it in 1 hour.